let me really, you guys haven't even touched what I told you about, okay? Why do people not pay their taxes back?
Because they don't have money.
No. Huh?
They miss them up sometimes.
No.
They don't care. Why?
They died.
Oh.
You're not thinking, guys. Are they going to pay their taxes if they're dead? No. What do I do?
Does the family have the opportunity to
They don't own it.
No, I'm saying in a redemption state, the people who own it have the opportunity to go back and pay it.
Right. Okay, but they still don't own the property.
Right.
Correct?
So the family can't get the property back.
No, you got to go through probate. You got to know the laws. Right. Okay. So this is the thing here. Is people are saying one thing. Why? Nothing bad. Why did the bank pay it? Why did the owner pay it? Right? Why is it said no? Okay?
You'll be accosted by lamps before you get outside the door.
We talk about look at your properties here in California that go to deed auctions, that go to the auctions, that actually sell. Why did they sell? Why did they sell? Did they have a mortgage on it? The title company can check with you. She can tell you whether you're a mortgage on this property or not. Right? She can probably do research for you, the title rep. What happened? Was the person alive or dead?